Hi guys, this is just a quick one. I basically just want to apologise for the lack of videos. I was in a really good place where I was getting them 2 to 3 out a week. That is going to happen again, but we're just quite busy with what we've got on. There is actually 5 videos in the pipeline for the mystery build, which is going to hopefully be coming very soon. Timescales 10 days to 2 weeks maybe. But other than that, there is a few different things going to be going on the channel. One of which is we've got 3 to 4 cars lined up for a review. Not all minis as well, so something different. The other thing I wanted to do is we're obviously cracking on with the 89 build as soon as the mystery build's out of the way. So loads and loads of weldings come, loads of bits come around. Hopefully we'll get it flipped around in the next month or so. Weld the inside up, back end on, front end on. You know the plans of that if you've been following that build. Other thing is, there's another car that's in my collection that will be coming to the channel in hopefully the next month or so. So obviously we've got mystery build, 89 coming on, got reviews coming up, and this is one of my other cars that's been long in the pipeline to be done, and we're sort of going to jump on and off that as and when we get time between stuff. The 89 is my biggest primary build that needs to be done. It's got a deadline at the end of the day, so that needs to be done, and it's my behalf and I want to have a mini back, so that's the biggest priority. But there's one that I've been itching to do, and I have pretty much everything to do it. It's not a full restoration, so don't go, oh, it's not a full restoration on YouTube. It's not going to be that. It's a personal build to me, and it's something I've wanted it for a long time. I've got it. I think I got it a number of years ago now, and I've just never touched it. Not at the time. Loads of other stuff going on. Sidewalks at priority. I think when I bought it, the sidewalk would just be magazine featured, so that was my biggest primary thing at the time. Slow my words there. One little sneak peek is I did pick up these are from DSN Classics or Retro Sport. They're rocker cover bolts. That's going on the project that's soon to be coming to the channel. The main thing on that is going to be light work. It does need some welding. What car or classic car doesn't need welding? I won't tell you what it is yet. I'll let it come to that, and people that know me will probably know what's coming. But yeah, it's something I've wanted to get on the road. It doesn't need a lot in the grand scheme of things. Like I said, it's not a full restoration. It needs an engine doing and checking, which I have. The engine did run a number of years ago, but again, it needs to be taken apart, regasketed, and checked over. But the case is, get the car ready, engines go in it. Let's have another one on the road. And that is the aim of the game for me. I'm going away from having a perfect car. I just want them all on the road now. So we will see what's going on with that. But it's just a quick few minutes just to say I'm here. I'm still working away. Please don't, think there's no more coming. I wanted to thank everyone for the positive feedback on the new Mini or the R50 video. That is obviously something completely different. And yeah, I got really good feedback from that, so I'm quite chuffed with it. So like I say, there's many different cars coming to the channel, not just minis, so don't worry about that. So yeah, everyone, if I don't see you all before, or if I don't check in with a video, have a lovely weekend. Please post down below in the comments if you're cracking on with any builds, or you've got anything planned, any shows, events that you're going to, or anything really you maybe would like to see to the channel, or if you're guessing what the mystery build is, or if you're guessing what the next build is, just comment below, guys. I wanted to thank everyone for subscribing and liking these videos as well. It's a massive boost to me, and I really cannot wait to bring more to you guys. So, because this is why I'm doing it for everyone else, not from a personal gain. I really enjoy sharing everything with you guys. I enjoy the feedback, whether it's good or bad. It helps me, it helps you. We're in it together, everyone. Classic cars is a lifestyle, so let's crack on. So I'll catch you all soon. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you soon.